Next is Rebecca Rhodes, hooded by Priti Shah. And here's Kaimin Kim, hooded by Cindy Lustig. Next, we have Salen Gugos, hooded by Susan Gelman. And finally, we have Claudette Grinnell Davis, hooded by Kai Cortina. And Lorraine Gutierrez. Oh my God, she's getting bald. Now please join me in a hearty round of applause to congratulate them all. Next, we have a small but extraordinary group of graduates. To introduce them, please welcome the director of the program, Professor Ramaswamy Mahalingam.
Good afternoon. The Accelerated Master's Program is very new and in its third year has produced 4 graduates. Will the 4 AMDP graduates for this year please come forward? These students earned a bachelor's degree at Michigan last year and in addition have completed a concurrent 2-year program leading to the master's degree in psychology. Monique Ward will introduce each of them to you. Please hold your applause and we will recognize the group once all of the names are read.
First, we have Nadia Dinienta. Next is Alexa Ellis. Next is Jonathan Lee. And finally, Alexa Schull. Please join me in a round of applause to congratulate them all.
Now we turn to a special group of undergraduate students who are receiving their degrees with honors in the major. As Monique mentioned, 2 different majors are available through our program. What these students have in common is participation in the honors research program. For 2 terms, these students work closely with the faculty and graduate students on state-of-the-art research. They each completed a written report of their projects. Each thesis was then reviewed by 3 faculty members and given a designation of graduation with honors. Now we will present the students graduating with honors in the majors. At this time, we will recognize all of the graduates with honors in the majors. Professor Thorpe will present the graduates. Please hold your applause and we will congratulate them as a group.
We will now present students graduating with honors in biopsychology, cognition, and neuroscience. Joel Adu Brimpong. John Kenner Bell II. Alex Bernholtz. Andrew Lincoln Aloys Garton. Sunghyun Hannah Hong. Shaima Kandakar. Lena Kreeman. Danielle Nicole Leonard. Alina Lesnikoski. Emily Lauren Lustig. Eve Miriam Rosenheck. Adam Francis Sitzman. Lawrence Yin Tello. Linsa Vargese. Alyssa Rose Zoltowski. This concludes the students graduating with honors in biopsychology, cognition, and neuroscience. Please join us in a round of applause. We will now present the students graduating with honors in psychology. Monica Arkin. Amanda Heather Balakirski. Jillian Suzanne Bean. Jacob Klein Bradburn. Zoe Morris Feldman Breer. Rachel Coretta. Xiao Wei Chia. Melissa Kristen Durante. Julia Sarah Feldman. Yuki Wang, who's a Group UG speaker. Samantha Beth Goldstein. Nora Susan Greenstein. Roxanne Faith Harfman. Catherine Carolyn Kemp. Brandon Michael Klein. Jessica Michelle Kulik. Jia Ling Kwan. Stephanie Luke Opria. Marae Phillips. My daughter, Sarah Elizabeth Polk. Allison Sagan. Justin Thomas Sarkis. Shaina Shetty. Kima Smith. Emily Jill Steinberg. Gladys Yi Kim Tan. Alyssa Eve Tender. Megan Christine Thompson. Tara Ann Von Mach. Chelsea Nicole Weiss. Alexandra Ruth Wilt. Chelsea Zabel. Corey Eric Jackson. This concludes the students graduating with honors in psychology. Please join us in a round of applause.
Our honors program trains students to think and write like a scientist, which is the usual model. This year, we also wanted them to communicate their research like a poet. So we had a poetry competition where students wrote their research abstract as a poem. We have 3 winners, Monica Arkin, Melissa Durante, and Corey Jackson. Our top winner, Corey, also known as his rap name, Coco Figo, will now rap about his abstract. Please give a warm welcome to Coco Figo.
Hello, everyone. Yeah, Coco Fuego, I know. So, they let me do a rap version of my abstract, so this is probably the first time and last time you'll ever see this. So, to make it a little bit more authentic, I thought it would be nice to have a beat, so could you beat go? Yeah. Okay. This study is about the blend of identities. The mix of different cells creates a whole entity. Roses are red, violets are blue, but it takes a rainbow to paint the true you. Marginalization is feeling lonely for the times when your friends are acting phony and nobody knows the conflict inside. But if they open their eyes, they can see the disguise. We hypothesize that identity is correlated with marginalization, such that feeling separated makes the true selves become less integrated. The second hypothesis is that identity will show a positive relationship with CSC. Third, we expect to see there's a relationship with CSC, marginalization, and identity, such that marginalization moderates CSC. We took 57 students from the subject pool. They did tasks on the computer and a survey too. One survey measured the campus climate and the other identity with a scale from Heineck. We did not panic. We kept it cool, although we found results that went against the rules. Results supported hypothesis 1, marginalization means identities have less fun. Hypothesis 2 was also significant. It broke the rules. There's no way it was innocent. Contrary to what we would expect, marginalization helps adapt to conflict. Last but not least, we found identity moderated the relationship between marginalization. Like a poker face, identity is a bluffer, meaning it hides the truth when it acts as a buffer. Future studies will adjust participation as we measure marginalization in the normal population. This is the end of our honors thesis rhyme. We hope you learned something and didn't waste your time.
Not quite sure how I follow that. Thank you so much, Corey, for sharing your findings with us. Now we turn to the main order of business today, the graduation of students receiving bachelor's degrees. The undergraduate programs in psychology are the largest in the College of Literature, Science, and Arts, representing over 20% of the total student body. These programs include students graduating with a degree in psychology or a degree in biopsychology, cognition, and neuroscience, known as BCN. Our first undergraduates to graduate are those who are also recognized with departmental awards. May I ask the award winners to come forward and join me now? Please hold your applause until all the awards have been announced. The first award is the Tanner Memorial Award, and this is an annual prize providing financial support for a particularly innovative research project conducted by an undergraduate student. The award was created in memory of Wilson P. Tanner, who started his work with Michigan as a graduate student in 1949. Destiny Plants and Carlos Yuguez were the recipients of the Tanner Prize for 2014. Congratulations, Destiny. Destiny graduates with the Bachelor of Arts in Psychology. Congratulations, Carlos. Carlos graduates with the Bachelor of Science in Psychology with honors. The second award is the Albert C. Kane Honors Award, which was established in honor of Professor Kane, a former director of the honors program. The award assists students presenting their thesis research at a major regional or national scientific conference. Today, we recognize Yona Isaacs with the Al Kane Honors Award. Yona Isaacs is graduating with a Bachelor of Science in Biopsychology, Cognition, and Neuroscience with honors. Next, we have the Ann Rudo Memorial Scholarship, which identifies senior women with an academic interest in both psychology and biology. The scholarship is given in memory of Ann Rudo, a senior at the University of Michigan at the time of her death. The 2014 recipient of the Rudo Award was Zunera Jelani. Zunera is graduating with a Bachelor of Arts in Psychology with honors. Congratulations, Zunera. The next award is the Martha Munzer Memorial Award. This award was established by the parents of Martha Munzer, who died while she was a student in LSNA. The award is given annually to an outstanding junior woman in the psychology honors program. In 2014, the award was won by a graduating senior, Rachel Forche. Rachel is graduating with a Bachelor of Science in Psychology with honors. Congratulations, Rachel. The final award is the Pillsbury Prize. The Pillsbury Prize is awarded to honor students in recognition of an outstanding research thesis in the field of experimental psychology. Gabrielle Schwartz and Precious Smith were the recipients of the Pillsbury Prize for 2015. Congratulations, Gabrielle. Gabrielle will graduate with a Bachelor of Arts in Biopsychology, Cognition, and Neuroscience with highest honors. Congratulations, Precious. Precious is graduating with a Bachelor of Arts in Psychology with highest honors. Now, please join me in a hearty round of applause for congratulating all our special award recipients. Okay. Next, we present the students graduating with a major in biopsychology, cognition, and neuroscience. If you're unsure about the nature of this major, please ask your graduate to explain after the ceremony. At this time, we will recognize all of the graduates in the BCN major. Professor Chris Monk will be handing out the graduation scrolls, and Professor Thad Polk will present the graduates, assisted by Jennifer Taylor. Please hold your applause until the end of the group is announced.
Janine Beth Aberbook. Dana Ashley Aberumson. Atasham Ahmed. Ifam Ahmed. Keith Jonathan Alaganda. Zainab Alatar. Kimberly Rose Alice. Sarah Anjum. Sarah Atkin. Ethan Benjamin Atzman. Danielle Victoria Ayers. Alexandra McCarthy Babcock. Tanya Frances Ballantyne. Grace Ellen Banks. Cameron Bataya. Sarah Ann Bird. Zoe Birnbaum. Manjira Biswas. Sophia Tess Bloomer. Joseph Thomas Bonadies. Asia Kiera Bond. Jasmine Linnell Bradley. Jeremy Stephen Braun. Alicia Alejandra Bultzma. Stephanie Sunico Buno. Brianna Nicole Campbell. Bethany Ann Canning. Sanya Akhtar Chima. Carrie Chen. Emily Ann Chinarian. Mahak Chopra. Jennifer Trung. Justin Wade Clark. Avery Ann Clinton. Brianna Lynn Marie Commons. Caitlin Marie Crimmins. Andrea Sarah Kuamatsi. Kelsey Cummings. Roxanne Marie Dabin. Rachel Lynn Dellinger. Jasmine Camille Dennis. Tani Dar. Elizabeth Maureen Downs. Megan Eileen Drews. Bethany Marie Duffy. Jessica Christine Dugan. Kelsey Elizabeth Dugan. Domenico Dugo. Lee Christian Duradogan. David Jordan Eisner. Nicole Marie Elmblad. Alexis Noel Emmert. Taylor Ray Erickson. Monica Maria Fatinelli. Eric Allen Feaster. Lindsay Iva Ferguson. David Falk Fine. Elizabeth Ann Flanagan. Caitlin Ann Forbes. Madeline Julia Frank. Matthew D. Franklin. Holly Elizabeth Frederick. Anna Lee Funston. Michelle Catherine Goldis. Valerie Ann Gavrilla. Natalie K. Georges. Matthew F. Jaron. Georgia Kinney Glastris. Diana S. Goldberg. Nilima Goyal. Benjamin David Greenberg. Melanie Rachel Greenspan. Alicia Lynn Gregorczyk. Evelyn Araceli Gutierrez. Daniel M. Halpern. Paige Alexandra Hamey. Megan Lee Hanrahan. Kaylin Rose Harbin. Batul Harissa. Emma Rose Harmon. Brandon Michael Harnose. Natalie Ann Harris. Maggie Blair Hart. Lily Naz Hashemi. An Hasnain. Joanna Hyder. Mary Elizabeth Hobson. Katrina Ann Holmberg. Alexandra